Hello everyone, I'm Jodie Solberg, and I am going to be presenting at the National Guild of Hypnotists annual convention on August 8th and 9th, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about my presentations. So on Saturday, August 8th from 12 to 1 p.m. Eastern, I'll be presenting The Missing Link, Integrating Solution-Focused Hypnosis with Trauma-Informed Mind-Body Work. Now, in this training, you'll learn how nervous system regulation impacts hypnotic responsiveness and how to combine solution-focused hypnosis with trauma-informed mind-body techniques for safer, deeper, and more sustainable client change. Then, on Sunday, August 9th, from 3 to 4 p.m. Eastern, I'll be presenting Breaking Generational Cycles, a trauma-informed hypnotic framework for deep subconscious repair. In that training, we'll explore how generational patterns are formed through early experiences, including prenatal conditioning, and inherited nervous system responses, and how to help clients shift those patterns safely without overwhelm and even without regression. Now, if you're looking for practical, modern approaches to trauma-informed hypnosis that create lasting transformation, join me at the National Guild of Hypnotists annual convention, August 8th and 9th, 2026 in Marlborough, Massachusetts. I will look forward to seeing you there.